This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is always a risk when investing in the stock market. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. It is always advised to do your own research and to keep learning more and more about any strategies used in these videos. Welcome back to the channel. I hope all had a good weekend, and going forward I hope all have a prosperous week. So we're going to jump into week 29 of our Roth. And looking at the account total, this week is sitting at $16,144.42. And that balance has been updated. Today is July 12th. The total $16,144.42. And looking at history here, the GoPro we had $11 put on. It did get it signed, and so it did buy that GoPro at $11. The Blink call did not hit our call strike point, so it did expire, and the put also did not hit it expired. The GoPro, the first 100 shares we had, did not hit our call price, so it expired also. So looking at the account, we have Blink, Corsair Gaming, which will expire this Friday. We now have 200 shares of GoPro. Nano Dimension, that put option will expire this Friday. Orbital Energy and Tattoo Chef call and put will also expire this Friday. So we'll just go straight down the line here. Starting with Blink, we have 100 shares. Our cost basis is sitting at $37.71. So we're going to come over here, click on the down arrow and go to options chain. We check our date. We are 4 days out. Coming down, $37.71. We can't see above the strike price above our cost basis, so we need to come over here and click on all to expand this chain. And with our cost basis being $37.71, we keep coming down. $37.50, we need to go above our cost basis, so we'll go one more higher, which is going to be $38. We're going to come over, click on trade. We own this stock, so we're doing a call option. And reading this, we're selling Blink, expiration the 16th of July, $38 strike price. This is a call option. We're going to sell to open. We're going to do a quantity of 1. The bid is currently at 0.40. It closed at $35.40. It's currently at $35.24, so it went down some, so the bid price will probably be a little less. We are going to do a limit. We're going to do a limit of 0.30. That's 0.10 less than the bid. Since it is a limit price and the price is moving down, we set it a little bit below the bid price. I'm going to review and submit this order. Moving down the line, Corsair Gaming, we can skip this one because it's still active. GoPro would be our next one with 200 shares. We have a cost basis of $11.43 per share. We'll click on the down arrow and go to options chain. We check our date. We are 4 days out. Our cost basis was $11.43, so we come to the first one above our cost basis, which is going to be $11.50. We're going to come over here and click on trade. And reading this, we're selling GoPro, expiration the 16th, $11.50 strike price. This will be a call option. We're going to sell to open. We're going to do a quantity of 2. We have 200 shares, so we can do a quantity of 2. The bid is currently at 0.06. We're going to do a limit order, 1 cent below that at 0.05. I'll review and submit this one. And looking at Nano Dimensions is active, Orbital Energy is active, and Tattoo Chef is still going. So looking at our cash on hand, it currently says $6,088. With the puts in place here, we have a total of $3,588. So I'll hover over the top of trade and go to options chains. And this week we're going to look at Wish. It closed at $11.14. The bid is currently sitting at $11.16. Going down the chain here, which I've expanded, I'm going to do a 10.50 put option. So you find the one you want, you come over here and you click on trade. And reading this, we're selling Wish, expiration the 16th, that's this Friday. It'll be 1050 put option. We're going to sell to open. And I'm going to do a quantity of 3. We have roughly 3,500. 3 of those will be 3,150, somewhere around there. The bid is currently 0.25. We're going to set it at 5 cents below the bid. I'll review and submit this one. That should put us roughly with about $430-ish left. So I'm looking at Orbital Energy. Our cost basis is $5.94 a share. If I can get this below $5, I can sell the $5 call option. So I'm going to come over here to the down arrow and I'm going to click on buy shares. And looking at this, I can see the bid is at 426. So I'm going to pull up my cost averaging sheet that I made. It is in my Patreon page. And jumping back 2 positions here at 300, our cost basis is $5.94 a share. So pulling up our cover call cost averaging here, we have OEG. We had a total of 300 at 5.94 a share. So our cost basis is $5.94. If I buy another 100, and currently it's at 426, so I'm gonna put 427 here. It'll cost me $427. It'll drop our cost basis to $552. If I can do 102, I think we had $430. So I'm gonna leave it at 100 to get it to 552, and then we could drop that 2 cents a little bit later. So I'm gonna try to buy 100 shares of these. It will get me pretty close to that 550 cost average. So I am in the pre-market here, and it is the extended hours. Market's not open yet. So I'm gonna try to buy 100 shares. I'm gonna try to do a limit of 4.27 to see if this will execute. And as soon as I went to hit it, I could see the bid did go up to 4.29. So I'm going to change this. So I changed it to 4.30, which is still right at our 430-ish available balance. I'll review this one. So that order is still pending. It hasn't given it to us yet. So we'll come back after the market opens and make sure all of these got executed. Okay guys, market is now open, and our Blink, Wish, GoPro, looks like they all been executed. Let's go to history, and looking at history, we have a GoPro with a quantity of 2, Blink quantity of 1, and Wish with the quantity of 3, all expiring on the 16th of July. And looking at this week, we got a total of 867, 29.35, and 58.01. So we have Wish, Blink, and GoPro. The quantities of 3, 1, and 2. All of those are expiring on the 16th of July. We got 58.01, 29.35, and 8.67. That's a total of $96 and some change. So pretty close to 100 again this week. The Orbital Energy, we did do that pre-market, so it expired. So if it drops lower, it started to go up. So if it drops lower again, may consider buying it. Try to get that cost basis below, $5, at or below $5. Again, what I consider to be another very good week. Remember, sometimes in the total, those balances, what you're gaining in the week, won't actually show until you reach your cost basis on those. But it is kind of like it's being saved week by week, and once you hit your cost basis, all of that is realized. So guys, if you found value in this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you'll never miss a video.